What's good, my guys? How y'all doing? Y'all doing good today? Y'all like the different angles? I got some different stuff for y'all today, okay? I promise I got y'all. Just stay tuned. As you guys can see from the title and the thumbnail, this is something I don't usually do, but we're trying something new, okay? So tune in, grab your snacks, grab your whatever food you about to eat, grab your sister, grab your brother, and share this video as well. Don't forget to do that and like the video and subscribe if you're new. Word. So real quick, y'all fuck with Caniks. I got a Mete SFT and a MC9. I fuck with both these guns OD. These guns are really tough comp. This one is fairly new to me. I ain't gonna lie, this one is very new to me. This one I've had for a little over a year, maybe 2 years now. I have not got no sights or anything like that, but I think I like this one. This shoots so smooth. So does this one right here. This is more like for daily, like if you want to walk around with the gun and shit. But let me know in the comments down below. Y'all fuck with Caniks? I fuck with them. Let me know. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I've been hot as shit. Today has been humid and hot at the same time. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, I've been a little bit irritated, bro. Especially because I was trying to find this damn mount for this GoPro so y'all could get some good action. And it took me like over an hour to find it. Luckily, my shorty was helpful and helped me find it. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Let's wind up the windows, turn on the AC so y'all can hear the whine. It's not no track halt, but it do whine though. Once we get some more space between me and the other cars around here, they like to drive real special ed. They like to go 40 miles per hour in a 50 or 60 mile per hour area. It'd be pissing me off. I'm not gonna like, word, it'd be pissing me off. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Let me know in the comments down below, are the gas prices fucking y'all over too? That shit is basically like highway robbery at this point, bro. Like no cap, literally like last week I was getting gas. I have this Jeep SRT and I got a Infiniti G37, right? Today, Junior? One time last week, I filled up the G37, right? That cost me $88, right? The next day I had to fill up this car. I was dreading that. $96, nigga. 96. They're fucking me over, bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, these gas prices have been crazy. So y'all better like and comment on this video because I'm gonna be wasting gas for y'all entertainment. It's been a while since I recorded with this GoPro, and it's been a while since I haven't recorded a video with that right there. Hopefully y'all can see my sexy ass too. Hey. Also, y'all, if y'all are new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Might as well watch my other videos too on the channel, especially the most recent one. It was a little bit entertaining. A lot of people liked it, so you might as well go ahead and watch it. You feel me? Go ahead after this video and watch it. You feel me? And make sure to get some food when you watch that video too. That's a little bit lengthy. I recently put my YouTube tag and TikTok tag on this car, right? It's good for more people wanting to see your content and whatnot. My coworkers have been seeing it, man. My coworkers been seeing it. They're probably watching this video right now too. Gosh, hi, how you guys doing? Hey. I know I'm not usually this loud at work, but yeah, hey, how you guys doing? Listen, if y'all ever get caught speeding, you get pulled over, right? There's a chance they'll give you a ticket. There's a chance they may just let you go, right? If you ever get a ticket, y'all, I swear, look at me. If you ever get a ticket, fight it. Don't just take the ticket and pay it. Don't do that, bro. Do not do that, because that's gonna raise your insurance is gonna cost a lot more, a whole bunch of stuff, bro. In the long run, there's a chance you can fight it. I fought every single one of my tickets I got, and I got out of it, thankfully to the Lord. You know what I'm saying? Thankfully to the Lord. Nah, this car really pick up so quick, y'all. The Jeep, it's loud. The exhaust not that loud. I want it to be louder, but my Infiniti is louder than this car. But either way, it just feels muscly, you feel me? It feels Pause girthy.
Nigga, you gay.
Why the fuck did I just say that? Yeah, I don't. Y'all get my drift, right? Like it just feels. You know what I'm saying? Also, let me know in the comments down below. Do y'all like Glocks? I was doing research before I got my Caniks on Glocks, and I was like, I have been hearing a lot of good things about the Caniks, especially this one, this MC9 right here. This MC9 is calm. Let me know in the comments down below. Do y'all mess with Glocks more than these? I don't know. I like the Caniks. These it just feels smooth, and when you pull the trigger down, you don't have to raise off of it all the way to shoot again. You know what I'm saying? Like it's real, you know, quick and snappy. All that, bruh. Nah. I hope y'all can hear. I hope y'all can hear the whine. The intakes are sucking. Them shits are sucking crazy. Look at this Supra. That should probably sound good too. It had pink calipers. Nah, the rims was tough. It was like a, what you call it? Like it shifts colors. It was like purple and then pink. I don't know what is that, iridescent? Oh, you little dickhead. I was about to take off too.
I think that's an old lady.
No, it's not the old lady. What are you looking at? Yo.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Say you shouldn't have cut me off. Fuck. And no, we need to be in this lane.
Ah, weak.
Right at the light. Come on, please.
He's really driving just in that back seat with his head out. Oh my gosh, this shit is whining crazy.
Get on there.
Yo, I love this car, bro. I love the way it whines. Yeah, they wildin'. They wildin' right there.
I thought that was a shoe or something.
Where are we going?
Just keep going straight. Coming to the light.
The way this car takes off is really fucking crazy, y'all. Like, dead ass. Like, I love it. They're out in that bit. Oh nah, that's rice down. But hey man, if you made it this far, I'm gonna say it once again, like I'll sound like a broken record. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, comment down below. Let me know once again, do y'all like Caniks or y'all mess with Glocks more? Or also let me know in the comments down below what other guns other than Caniks or Glocks do you think I should get next? What other guns should I get next? And what attachment should I get for my Canik? I need a nice attachment for it. I don't know if I should do one of those red dot sights or what. I don't know, but I want to get something. It look kind of naked. You feel me? All right. Let's get it started. Hey. To the left. Let's see. That was my first little round. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. We missed the target twice, but we'll be Coochie. Time for this one right here. Time for this. Got this loaded. All right. My aim tight bad, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. We're on target somewhat, but I need to tighten up. way off. Nah, I'm tweaking. I can't aim for shit. I don't even know how those two happened. I did get smacked that right here too. That's where I was trying to get right here on that one. I'm gonna get there on that one. Watch. Ooh, that is shitty. Can't hit that forward for nothing. I literally can't hit this forward for nothing. I kept on aiming right here. I don't know what the fuck got going on, but I did hit this. And then like, I need to get back in the range some more, cause what the fuck is going on? We just now leaving. I ain't gonna lie, my shorty tight got good aim. I ain't gonna lie, she tight got good aim. I don't know what she's feeling like right now, but she got some good aim on her. I ain't gonna catch. She was doing decent. She was doing pretty good, and she was over here yapping. And I didn't have my prescriptions on. If you don't shut your goofy ass up. But yeah, we did decent. It's been a while since I've been to the gun range. It was good to get a little bit of steam off. Now whenever she gets mad, she's gonna want to go to the gun range and feel like she doing a little something. I'm jacking, like, for real. Like, dead ass, she's gonna feel some type of way. I'm telling y'all right now. Y'all don't know how she gets. Y'all don't know how she gets. Help. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Comment down below. Share this to your mom, your sister, your brother, your auntie. Somebody that you know. I appreciate y'all. I really do.
Shut up, bitch.
I don't really care about nada. Young nigga popping a collar. She can be born like a scholar. Might shoot it up, but I won't be a father. Had a hoe popping a pill. She seen me popping a pill. Shit like you know that addiction is real. Don't give a fuck, I just like how